What was that? Oh!
Flood warning for Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:49 a.m.
Yeah, I caught it.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected
Let's
to be.
go!
Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses.
Holy crap.
As well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Yeah, I'm getting this.
That will experience flash flooding include Dixon, White Bluff, Burns, Charlotte, Van Leer, Sladen, Bon Aqua, and Miles. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Dang! I caught that.